Alright, hi guys. So I just got this in the mail. It told me it would come on Friday, and it's now 8:30. I got it actually, which is kind of late. So let's open it. And this is a Slingshot that I just got. I'll show you once I open up what kind of Slingshot it is. This is just unboxing. I'm going to review it in a second. Here it is. The Barnett Strike 9. This is one of Barnett's smallest models, actually. It's very compact. It's lightweight. It's about 38 ounces. And so let's open it. So that's the box right there. Strike 9 Slingshot. We have it right here. And it has a grip on it right here. Has a leather pouch. And now it's pretty stable. It has a big pouch compared to other Slingshots. This I would say is about 4 inches here, and the pouch is about 2 inches. So it's actually pretty good, and I mean, I think it has a 20-pound draw weight. I would usually hold my Slingshot like this, but since these forks are so small, I can't really. And so, yeah, here you go, like that. I would say it's about a foot, at least a foot long, the rubber on it. And it does not come with any ammo, sadly. You would have to buy that separately. And that's about it. So please subscribe or like the video. I will be doing more reviews and unboxing videos. So yeah, I think this could be possibly used for hunting. Not sure. You probably have to get the stronger ones. It's actually very hard pull. My hand is shaking there. I'm not too sure how I'm gonna hold this. It's not very comfortable. My hand's kind of too big for it. Okay, so my battery's running out. So thanks for watching.